Welcome to Field Notes. I'm your host, Hayley Fleming, and in this episode, we'll be learning about killer whales in Kenai Fjords and in Prince William Sound. Killer whales have been monitored in our region for 30 years. Researchers in our area track the whales' movements throughout the year. They also study diet and body condition, while cataloging individuals and familial relationships. To gather this information, the RV Natoa heads out from Seward to Kenai Fjords for about a month, from mid-May to mid-June. After that, the crew heads to Prince William Sound through the Hinchinbrook entrance, reliably seeing pods in June and July. According to their hydrophone data, this area is used consistently by whales from April through July. This trend is undoubtedly associated with the arrival of herring each spring at this location that ushers in the whale's preferred prey species, chum salmon. Hydrophones sit in the water to keep track of the whales, listening year-round at strategic locations in the Sound and in Kenai Fjords. Access to this year-round dataset is unique in the research world and allows researchers to track the movements of different pods. Researchers are also interested in what the whales are eating. By collecting fecal samples, teams can determine what our whales consume at different times of the year. They find that chum and Chinook salmon are our region's most important prey species. Coho is next in line regarding significance to the whales, with a small percentage of their diets consisting of halibut, black cod, arrowtooth flounders, and sockeye salmon. Recently, aerial photography has been employed to aid in the researchers' understanding of body condition. Width measurements taken from the images can be compared over time to see if the whales are losing or gaining weight. Keeping an eye on what the whales eat and how much of it is key to understanding their health. The population is somewhat simple to estimate because the whales will swim with their unique pods their entire lives. If researchers see a few group members, they know the rest of the family is also in the area. Researchers photograph and catalog every individual they see, giving the team a highly accurate minimum estimate of whales that regularly use the Sound and Kenai Fjords. Researchers estimate that we can have up to 1,000 killer whales in the region, but on a more regular basis, we have 200 to 300 animals in the area. Some whales, like the AB pod, have centered their range in Prince William Sound and Kenai Fjords, making it their home, while others may center their range near Kodiak, but occasionally visit our waters. These charismatic megafaunas are a favorite to many. I know I can't help but get excited whenever I see them out on the water myself. If you'd like to know more about the pods in our region, check out whalesalaska.org and toggle to the Our Whales section. For more information about the killer whale research done in the Gulf Watch Alaska program, head over to PWSSC.org. Thanks for listening.